is working. Laser operation requires 3 Ag13 LR44 battery. In before operation, the laser pen pulled out from the connecting rod, then unscrew the rod from the upper into it, then tighten connecting rod, reassemble the laser point. Do not aim at eyes. This is not a toy. If used undeserved may be harmful. Do not look at the laser aperture. Children under the age of 12 to use is not recommended. LEDs are used to send signals to distant cell. People light up the near place.